Ama wakwaba meeting ede adwa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel me notification bell also for more news. Ebusuafo Hussein Ibrahim ena okase na edensem ena Ibrahim eka densema okay na ne say actor ekoso na no Saturday ewo special delegate conference ewo NPP amayoko ni mo no efa eye honorable Kennedy akompreko Japan ne ho no eyade a eye not aha enti we na NPP fo nkomode eba beto eye NPP party ni mu so omonto aba emfa emano na o meye president ewo Ghana ha hell no because act na course no eye time say adenti na MP member of parliament utumi etwe phone a threat to president no so be man show down for the way why for what reason mana oh honorable one yade one try cry no na Ibrahim say and now yes super delegate about omokoto e no obi oto e de ema man honorable Kennedy akompreko Japan bia SSS ha inipa no twa ne so e de Africa na ha no because sebio medumi ntumi nko nti ensema Ibrahim nankasa e de etudwa eye Kennedy akompreko Japan so. Who is Kennedy? The most indisciplined politician in Ghana ha sisi Kennedy Japan. Era Kennedy Japan. Politician na violence on net them era Kennedy Japan. Kennedy refi 2018 June 28th. Okujina simpi so almost station say on oda sorry so daya yisika eno ntokwa. Into when the MPP, some of the delegates to Abamano, sent him to. In fact, those people now say boomer to free Ghana Hanum say. Some Kofona or ma Aji Kennedy or ma G Kennedy to send Combrambe Lady Ghana. No. Obia Otimi dressing Pieso. Ekasa obe chef former president fee. Nipa we Muslim to Abamano. Send out to Ghana Hanum say. Ono beef for and a beef. A show for or no man a beef. I suffer for or no man a beef. Meaning about to a journalist for day and on fine. So can you be my swally away? I'm a swally away. You are for the cassette or be so announced principle at their fight to corruption. Or by no say no, he has destroyed announced principle to pave way for corruption. Destroying bear no. So here you racking in the Japan. Announce on a year manas a fence I'm a swally in the year Juma. Kennedy akompreko Japan ekotena na 2 ni TV station e display say oh oko ahaya watizongo ho mochi na munye ne de besi bia no betua mumbu no de besi betua. I'm just asking you ma bisa me MPP ni we say me nua Kennedy watua sa ayi na na enne what was say to abamaw wotimi e den e cite 2 tribes ebom say before no mochi ma munye den ombu om and they don't my igbe say they should vote for you. Excuse me. Excuse me. Yes. You see, so Obi and Tokwa sexy dondon. JB Dankwa wuye. Maybe a sexy dondon body di. Osi yanto abamao. Obi otimika se minu aba we oba o. Otimika so do ba adeja ebe tuga. We na mo se yanto abama no.
What about the other 3?
Why me ba say me ba. Obati ma se. Me time no dey me ba. Enti ye wura Kennedy Japan dey me sremu. Ono me strategy ni say what dey bebo on business. Ade a wo yi business. Na so ono no on kasa basa so be kasa na chese o mu dija no. To be kasa na nyama no contract pe no ayi din.
Nti do ye ni
na wo ye no board out isu. E car wa bo oman no. Ombra no be yi wan no. Debut, sometimes excuse us. Mama some level of like understanding kakra. You the way a political system nesiko. Must say we must say present you are presenting someone like in the Japan. And you on Tiano catch say you are Ibrahim Mahama or Bob one could jail or Banuma. One more do when I must say one of president. Here are Lanko Jotra Martin. Hey, Papa.
Power me buafu at the same time a raho mebu afu mera aho at the same time. And that is because NPP, we don't learn. NPP for Yinsuade Utie. The party called NPP, we do not learn. Yes, we might have all the intellectuals and all of that, but the intellectuals need to be one unit. Utie. One unit. Be why are we doing this to ourselves? Seriously, why are we doing this to ourselves? Adia see dun ketia koye ebi ewo kumewu no. Ebi ena Kennedy Japan has started awoye. Now, and then Missumi throw challenge. Utie the Americano. Missumi throw challenge to Honorable Kennedy Japan. I'm throwing a challenge to the Honorable Member of Parliament for Asen Central, Asen Huawei, Honorable Kennedy Japan. Please, and please again. Today you have showed us that you are powerful than the president in Ghana. Honorable Kennedy Japan, you have showed us that not only are you bigger than NPP, you are too big for NPP. You are too big to be part of NPP. You are too big than the president that is sitting on the throne. You are too big than the vice president. You are too big than anybody in Ghana. So we beg you, Honorable Kennedy Japan, you and your supporters, we beg you, this is the time to go independent. The whole Ghana is looking for an independent candidate. The whole Ghana is looking for an independent candidate. So Kennedy Japan, go independent today. Everybody loves you. The whole Ghana, they even love you than the president. So Kennedy Akomprekwe Japan, Honorable Asen Central MP, please go independent today. Let us see how strong. Let us see how strong you are. It's about time you show to Ghanaians to say, you are the most powerful man in Ghana. Honorable Kennedy, today is the day you must show to all Ghanaians that you are the most powerful man in Ghana. Because according to you, you will give the sitting president a showdown. Yes, president can't even touch you. You will give the vice president a showdown. Yes, we agree. We wouldn't even want to fight with you. Honorable Kennedy, in Ghana, nobody is powerful and bigger than Kennedy Japan. Know we today. Sewu Nimwa, the most powerful man in Ghana is Kennedy Akomprekwe Japan. He has more money than anybody. He has given money to the whole Ghana than anybody. He has employed more than anybody. He is the best than anybody. Let me tell you something. 2 days ago, 2 days ago, the same Kennedy Japan was holding strings and saying that he has faith in the Electoral Commission of MPP. Everything is clear. No kululu biya nim, no basabasa ye biya nim, or G process nidi, wa G process natum. This is what he said. Okutadiye yellow mi enubi say, one more checki bibiya into one more compare kwe Japan. Ready say this election should go on because he has all the